What is considered a deceptive practice regarding product condition? A. Selling new items at a discount. B. Selling renovated goods as new. C. Clearly labeling used items. D. Providing extended warranties. The correct answer is B. Selling renovated goods as new. Occupations in the service sector are primarily associated with providing what? A. Extracting raw materials. B. Agricultural products. C. Manufacturing goods. D. Services to others. The correct answer is D. Services to others. The drafting of the Indian Constitution was led by a specific committee. Who chaired this committee? A. Rajshekharan. B. Thamizselvi. C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Tamil. The correct answer is C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. What global issue is listed as a potential security concern? A. Climate change. B. Cyber warfare. C. Trade wars. D. Pandemics. The correct answer is D. Pandemics. In what type of powers does the governor take independent decisions? A. Discretionary powers. B. Financial powers. C. Legislative powers. D. Judicial powers. The correct answer is A. Discretionary powers. What year is associated with the Eve Teasing Act? A. 1948. Born in 2000. Circa 2010. D. 1997. The correct answer is D. 1997. What is defined as a voluntary act of giving up Indian citizenship after acquiring citizenship of another country? A. Deprivation. B. Termination. C. Renunciation. D. Annulment. The correct answer is C. Renunciation. What kind of laws can people in a direct democracy discuss and amend? A. National laws only. B. Laws they deem necessary. C. International laws. D. Specific club laws only. The correct answer is B. Laws they deem necessary. What is an example of a gender-based stereotype mentioned? A. Girls crying and boys not crying. B. Raghu laughing. C. Boys crying. D. Nelson Mandela being freed. The correct answer is A. Girls crying and boys not crying. What safety gear is mentioned for four-wheelers? A. Seat belts. B. Knee pads. C. Helmets. D. Gloves. The correct answer is A. Seat belts. Who appoints the chairperson and members of the Human Rights Commission? A. Parliament of India. B. President of India. C. Prime Minister of India. D. Supreme Court of India. The correct answer is D. Supreme Court of India. Citizens by birth are categorized as what type of citizens? A. Foreign citizens. B. Natural citizens. C. Acquired citizens. D. Naturalized citizens. The correct answer is B. Natural citizens. Who was the calligrapher of the original Indian Constitution? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. Jawaharlal Nehru. C. B.R. Ambedkar. D. Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada. The correct answer is D. Prem Bihari Narayan Raijada. What is a committee set up to write a proposal? A. Judiciary. B. Drafting. C. Executive. D. Legislative. The correct answer is A. Judiciary. A. Judiciary. B. Drafting. C. Executive. D. Legislative. The correct answer is A. Judiciary. B. Drafting. C. Executive. D. Legislative. The correct answer is A. Judiciary. D. Legislature. The correct answer is B. Drafting. What is the minimum age to cast a vote in the Legislative Assembly elections? A. 18 years. B. 25 years. C. 21 years. D. 16 years. The correct answer is A. 18 years. What rights are mainly included for women under the Constitution of India? A. Education and employment. B. Equality, dignity, and reservation. C. Inheritance and property. D. Preferential allotment and special reservation. The correct answer is B. Equality, dignity, and reservation. What principle is stated regarding international relations? A. Permanent friends and foes exist. B. There are no interests, only friendships. C. Only interests are permanent. D. Alliances are always permanent. The correct answer is C. Only interests are permanent. What action is required when a red traffic signal is displayed? A. Move on quickly. B. Turn right only. C. Drive through carefully. D. Wait behind the stop line. The correct answer is D. Wait behind the stop line. Which category do Google website and blogs fall under? A. Web media. B. Print media. C. Broadcast media. D. Narrowcast media. The correct answer is A. Web media. What important theme did the United Nations organization take up? A. Economic development. B. Environmental protection. C. Global trade. D. Human rights. The correct answer is D. Human rights. What is the Convention on the Elimination of All Forms of Discrimination Against Women, CEDAW, described as? A. A global economic treaty. B. A national bill of rights for children. C. An international bill of rights for women. D. A regional agreement on human rights. The correct answer is C. An international bill of rights for women. What does Article 24 of the Indian Constitution specifically address regarding children? A. Their right to leisure activities. B. Their right to religious freedom. C. Their protection from hazardous employment. D. Their right to inheritance. The correct answer is C. Their protection from hazardous employment. What were the battery-run vehicles also called? A. Jeep. B. Car. C. Truck. D. Van. The correct answer is A. Jeep. How are industries classified based on raw materials? A. On the basis of ownership. B. By the size of the factory. C. On the basis of the type of raw materials used. D. By the number of employees. The correct answer is C. On the basis of the type of raw materials used. When walking on the road, what is a recommended place for children to be? A. The pavements. B. The curb. C. The center lane. D. The road markings. The correct answer is A. The pavements. Which organization is described as grooming the force-day youth of the country into disciplined and patriotic citizens? A. Home Guards. B. National Cadet Corps. C. Rapid Action Force. D. Central Industrial Security Force. The correct answer is B. National Cadet Corps. What does the River Commission aim to maximize benefits from? A. Ocean trade routes. B. Agricultural land. C. Common river systems. D. Hydroelectric power plants only. The correct answer is C. Common river systems. Which of the following is an example of an informatory road sign mentioned? A. Men at work. B. Narrow bridge. C. Eating place. D. Left-hand curve. The correct answer is C. Eating place. What is one of the safety tips mentioned for driving? A. Always drive fast. B. Ignore traffic markings. C. Never ever drive for traffic accidents. D. Always change lanes frequently. The correct answer is C. Never ever drive for traffic accidents. What country's constitution first mentioned the concept of gross national happiness? A. Norway. B. Denmark. C. Bhutan. D. USA. The correct answer is C. Bhutan. How did you score?